Hello everyone, here's a question. Find the indefinite integral of sine 2x over 1 plus cosine x squared. How to solve this question? Because the inside function looks complicated, we cannot integrate right away. So we have to change the integral to make it easier to integrate. First, let's see what is the relationship between the numerator and the cosine x. So let's copy the numerator, sine 2x. We have a double angle formula for sine, which is 2 sine x cosine x. Then how to make the integral into a simpler form? We are going to do the substitution. So I'm going to let the denominator equal u. So just let the u equal the whole denominator, 1 plus cosine x squared. So then let's do the du. Just for this part, take a derivative. So then derivative of 1 just 0. For cosine x squared, so we're going to use a chain rule. First use a power rule. That's just 2 cosine x. Then for cosine x, the derivative is a negative sine x with respect to x. Let's simplify. Then here just negative 2 sine x cosine x, then dx. Then you see here, this whole thing just exactly like here. So that's why just sine 2x. Then here we have just equal negative sine 2x. Then copy dx. Then compare this part with the numerator. So which, aside from negative 1, they are exactly the same. So that's why, so let's rewrite this part. Keep this part by itself. So then we do this way. Copy this part. Just a sine 2x dx. Both sides times negative 1. So then just negative 1, then du. So now we are ready to do the substitution and figure out what is the integral. So let's first copy the original question, sine 2x divided by 1 plus cosine x squared. So then we are going to do the u substitution. But just remember, so this part, that is u. So that's why here we have the bottom, just u. Then what's the sine 2x dx just here? Equal negative 1 du. So here's a negative 1 du. So now we can do the integral. Just take the negative 1 out front. Then we have an integral of 1 over u, which is a very simple integral. Just a natural log absolute value u. Because this is indefinite integral, so don't forget to put the plus constant c. Then here, so we are going to back substitute. Use this part, replace u. That's a negative natural log. So then here is a 1 plus the whole denominator, plus cosine x squared, then plus c. So in case you're wondering how come the absolute value sign disappeared, because 1 plus cosine x squared always bigger than 0. So that's why we don't need the absolute value sign. So that is the answer for this question. So if you have different way to solve this question, please share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.